Hi, my name is John. Welcome to the monthly free giveaway. Today is the first Sunday of the month, so I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons and see if I can find a winner for last month's prize. Right, Gary Williams, all you need to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there. I'll get those items posted off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another draw this month, which is August. It's going to be exactly the same prizes as last month. I'm going to show them now. We've got a double boost mug made by my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. Little bottle of Anchor Lube, or as I've started to call it, Martian Snot. And a box of Cleveland twist drills. These are real quality drills. Use the Martian Snot and they'll last forever. If you want to enter the competition, which is totally free, all you need to do is obviously watch the video, which you're doing. Subscribe to the video. There's a little button there, you just press that and automatically you become a free subscriber. In the comment box, you need to write a comment. And all the comment needs to say is 2024 giveaway 8. You can say whatever you want, but you need to include that comment. Anyway, thanks for watching. Good luck with the draw.